Oxegen Gá Vila is a day. It's absolutely madness. We're in the Spoon O'Shea cabin at the moment. Claire Flynn's in the house. And the very beautiful Dana Vickers.
I'm only gonna let you kill me once.
Good to be here. Now, you are at the moment celebrating obviously your album doing fantastically well. Songs from the Tainted Cherry Tree. Let's talk about it first off. The Tainted Cherry Tree.
Yes.
A bit of innuendo there, Dana Vickers.
I know, it paints an image of this beautiful, like there's a Boy You Murdered Love, my next single, there's a line.
We love that, by the way.
Oh,
well done.
high five that. And it says a line in there, it refers to him as the tainted cherry tree, someone that you want so badly and is so beautiful but so wrong for you.
I'm only gonna let you kill me once.
You had probably the best launch that you could hope for in terms of coming off the back of obviously X Factor and then your own album, in that you went straight to #1 in the UK with your debut single. That must have been like a eureka moment of euphoria.
Yeah, that was amazing. Like, I never expected it. Like, I remember the week that it was all like me and Chipmunk, or no, Usher. Me and Usher were like battling out. I was like, oh my god, I'm actually having like a battle with Usher, who I was my first ever concert I went to, and yeah, it was crazy. And you know, I had so high hopes for it, but #1 was just amazing.
All the people you're with on X Factor, do you keep in touch with all that gang?
Oh yeah, definitely. Like, I'm supporting JLS next week, actually, on
Hey.
their tour. Yeah, which I can't wait for. And I'm my best friends with Ruth Lorenzo that year. I see Alex, I see Cheryl. Yeah, so I do stay in touch.
Well, hey.
I'm only gonna let you kill me once.
Usher, who you battled it out with for #1
Yes.
on his recent hit with will.i.am, OMG, has a lyric that says, "Honey got a booty like pow pow pow, honey got them boobies like wow oh wow." Is this the worst lyric of all time or genius?
I think it is very good. I like it.
I like Usher.
I love Usher.
If Dana Vickers ruled the world for one day, big or small, what is the first thing you would change?
I would make every single Tuesday Pancake Tuesday.
That is awesome! High five for Pancake
There you
Tuesday.
go. Amazing.
Excellent. Songs from the Tainted Cherry Tree. That is a brand new album from Dana Vickers. She is only a lady and nothing else.